All-in-one kit. 6*15 ml amazing color gels, 1*10 ml base coat, 1*10 ml top coat, 120 pcs curved dual forms with 12 sizes, 36 pcs straight dual forms, 1*15 ml slip solution, 1* file 175*20 mm, 1* dual-ended nail brush and spatula, 1* glitter dust, 1* glitter diamond, 1* double-ended cotton swab, 1* instruction manual. Notice. Requires a nail lamp to cure, which is not contained in the kit. Purple Heart easy to use. You won't struggle to try to use our poly nail gel kit. The instructions for using the extension gel are detailed and yet simple to understand. No need to worry about messiness either, as our extension poly nail gel is easy to apply. Purple Heart long-lasting effect tips. Modelones poly nail gel will last up to 2 weeks or longer with proper nail prep, filing, buffering, and cleaning. For better adhesion, you can also apply nail dehydrator and primer, which can make the nail last much longer. What's more, you can refill your nails about every 2 weeks when the renew cuticle area grows. Purple Heart best gift for nail art lover and starter. The poly extension gel can build beautiful nail extensions in 3 minutes, even for a beginner. Take some practice. Once you get the hang of it, they come out looking like they were professionally done. It would be a great gift for people who like DIY nails. Purple Heart customer service. All the products were under quality control. So for any pre-sale and after-sales problems about products, please contact our customer service team. We are always standing by for you. Top reviews from the United States. 5 stars regardless. Absolutely love this entire set. All the provided tools make it easy to use for beginners. I already had a UV lamp, so this was a great new way for me to do my own nails at home. The free gift of oval-shaped nail covers included was a huge bonus. The only thing I wish is the polygel colors dried a little less translucent. A 5-star regardless.